And today I'm going to be showing you how I make my rhinestone stencils. I had a customer call me and ask me if I can make an army mom shirt for her. So this is going to be her actual shirt here that I'm making. What I did is I designed it in my program, and then I sent it to my cutter to cut, and this is what I get afterwards. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how it's done. Okay, so basically I just brushed them in. What I used is I have a little pick. I just had like a regular Cricut pick that I used, and I had several of them that I had to flip around. And you can use tweezers or anything that's sharp to turn the rhinestone around would work. So really quickly, I'm going to show you how I pick these up. Let me these are clear rhinestones that I used. Again, these are them. And what you see here, this black part up right above here, this is actually the Gorilla black tape that I put on there. And I just use that so I can go ahead, whoops, we have one right here. I use that so we can go ahead and anchor our tape down. That way I have a perfect fit when I go and I try to, when I go and I try to put my tape on there. So again, this is my Hot Fix tape. It is clear and it is reusable, so you can use it more than once. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set this right about here, and then I am going to go ahead and press on that. Or you can also go ahead and use your little brush like this. Just make sure that you have everything, and you lift. So I still have one there, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it right over. Whoops, actually I have an extra one, so I'm going to remove that and put that back in place. And there we go. So when I go and I try to fit, since it's going to be a double color, I'm just going to go ahead and put this right above this here, which it's this one here. And it fits perfectly right on top. And if you ever question, if you're not sure of how it's going to go or if it's going to fit or not, I usually just go right over it. And as you can see, the outline is fits perfect. So I know that I'm very well aligned. And basically what I do is I do the same process. And this is going to be in gold. I'm just going to dump them in there, and the more stones, you want to have enough stones on there, that way you're able to brush them in pretty easy. Again, I'm just going to go ahead and do the same process. You want to be careful not to get it up here. Okay, so this is the final product. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. I was hoping to show you guys the finished stencil, however my battery died in the middle of recording.